Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Danielle here. So in today's video I'll be doing these mini twists that you see here, also known as rope twists. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe down below. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I will really appreciate the support, so go ahead and show your support by subscribing down below and thumbsing up this video if you enjoyed the content. Also engage with me down in the comment section below by commenting. I will respond back, and let's have a little chit chat down in the comment section below. But this video is for my naturals out there who want a versatile style, something a little different for the winter fall season. If you're new, come on in, join the family, and without further ado, let's get started in today's video. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with the products that we need. I use the red Shine and Jam conditioning gel, and I use 1 pack of the Springy Afro Twist 16-inch Afro Marley hair. Now you want to go ahead and cut that hair in half, and from that half you want to go ahead and comb out those ends and further divide the hair into half. So I already did one off camera as an example. We're going to go ahead and do one together. I'm going to go ahead and section off a box of my hair. I like to call it. It's like a 1/2 inch in measurement or in width. I'm going to go ahead and place that Shine and Jam, just a little bit of it, onto the roots of my hair to provide a more sleeker look. I did not like this Shine and Jam. I prefer the Neat Braid conditioning gel, but I digress. I'm going to go ahead and place that Marley hair on the root of my hair and then divide that into 3 sections. If you look closely, each strand has Marley hair, even my real hair. So all strands must have the Marley hair if you're going to do this method. And then you're going to braid first, and then you're going to go ahead and twist. If you can twist from the root without braiding first, then you start with that. If you cannot, you start with the braid and then you transition into the twist. Now another method that you can do is use your own hair as the 3rd strand, which is probably more common when we're adding in extensions in our natural hair. So use your hair as the 3rd strand, braid it in, and then twist. When you're twisting, you're rolling like you have a piece of thread between your index and thumb finger. That's how you're rolling the pieces, okay? Now for my parting technique, I went ahead and parted horizontally. I just drew lines from ear to ear. That's all I did. I know some people like to do theirs in boxes, section each section in box and do each section at a time. But for me, I part ear to ear. So whichever is easier for you, go ahead and do that. I've always done this method, even with my mini braids. If you haven't seen my mini braids video, I will leave them down in the description box for you to check out, or I'll leave them up here for you to click on. So yeah, that's just always been my method and my way. I can try new methods, so maybe I'll try it in the future, but that is what I did with this hairstyle. If you have made it this far in the video, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Okay, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so I will really appreciate the support. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're still listening to my voice, go ahead and thumbs up this video. So this is trivia question number 1. I want to know, which hairstyle do you guys enjoy wearing the most? Which protective hairstyle do you enjoy wearing the most? And what hairstyle do you see yourself wearing for this fall winter season? So let me know down in the comment section below. also want to know what hairstyle you want to see me do next with my natural hair, whether you want me to add in extensions, do a wig, or braid my hair, another protective style. Whatever the style may be, go ahead and let me know your suggestions down below. I might do another mini braids video just to see how far my length is and do a little length check. And then I'm thinking about doing another hair video that I won't tell you guys until I actually do it. So yeah, just leave your suggestions down below, and you never know, your style might be next. So I have finally reached the end of installing these mini twists / rope twists, and now it's time to essentially style the hair. Now I tended to see a bit of unraveling throughout my ends that I didn't like, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and curl the ends just to provide that extra security when it comes to securing the ends and making sure that they're sealed. I went ahead and applied some Nairobi mousse. This is always my go-to mousse for my hair nowadays. So I applied the Nairobi mousse. It reduces frizz and gives that hair that sheen, that shine. So now I'm going ahead and I'm installing the perm rods in my hair in a spiral direction based on how I want the curl to lay. I'm going to go ahead and dip that in hot water off camera and then come back and show you guys. When I went ahead and blowed out my hair, I did not like how the curl formed, so I am working on my curl formation and how to really get that spirally look. But it is what it is. This is how they came out. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more natural hair related videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Later guys.